So here is our final video, our final part. In this part, I am again using ChatGPT to generate video generation prompts for our required image or visuals that I have been generated from Leonardo.ai by using ChatGPT. So I have gave the prompt. I have some images or visuals on block niche. Can you write me animation for that? So these should give realistic like behavior. Actually, these are generated from AI. So write video generation prompts for these images in detail. I think it is enough. So add the images that you have been generated from Leonardo. Here is my download folder. So I will select all four images and simply I will give it to ChatGPT. So let's wait. These are being uploaded. Nice, these are great travel themed visual. If I scroll, you can see that image generation prompts has been generated from ChatGPT. Now I will open a new tab and it is the last and final stage in which our images will be converted into video. So I have searched Flow AI, which is a Google platform. So here is the flow, create with flow, and you will be redirected to this page. And here click on sign in with Google. If you don't know, then watch this video completely how flow work. And then click on new project, and here is the credits, which is 100 AI credits. And here you have to set up some basic setting. Click on view 3, and here you can select your aspect ratio which you want. If you want 9 ratio 16, then click on. And here is another frame to video option, because we are using our images to convert that into videos. So I'll copy this prompt and paste in flow, paste here, and I will click on plus button to upload my downloaded image. Just select, and, and here you have to set your aspect ratio. It will need few seconds to upload. and simply click on go. So you can see that it is being generated. So I will copy this second and simply paste here, as well as simply upload this second image into flow and just click on go button. So in this way I have selected two images. So you can see that one result we have got, and here is another a second video. You can see that. So in this video, so in this way you can simply create your content, or I mean images. You can create your images from ChatGPT, and as well as you can also convert that images into your final video. If you found this video helpful, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.